Hey everyone, it's Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to be highlighting the movement and motions of our brand new IC2 chair. The IC2 comes, first of all, in a number of different finishes for you. You can have a black frame with our black nebula mesh, black headrest. You can also have a white frame with silver mesh or fabric. As well, there's a multitude of leather choices as you would prefer. The IC in IC2 stands for Intelligent Chair, and this right here, folks, is the heart of this chair. Actually, it's the brain of our intelligent chair. The Galileo mechanism. It's new, it's proprietary, it's patented, and what's inside of here, it's internal. What you don't see is a gas lift assist system that was designed by Mr. Breen, and this makes this chair unique in today's marketplace. Throughout and attached to our Galileo mech is the pivoting frame that supports and offers a tremendous amount of movement, unmatched movement really, to the IC2, which we'll see in a moment. Just want to highlight first of all our lumbar support system offered in this chair. We begin with an adjustable lumbar pad support. It simply rises up and down manually for you. There is an adjustment dial right in the middle, and you can dial it in to push the lumbar in for more support, or dial it out as you prefer. It's really a triple designed lumbar system we have in the IC2. We have the lumbar pad. We also have a very pronounced and deliberately designed curve to the back of our IC2. And what that does, it pockets your pelvis. It creates a pelvis pocket that maintains the natural C curve of our lower pelvic area when we sit in the chair. It helps to stop that natural but unhealthy outward pushing of our lower back when we sit in a chair. So we have all of that incorporated to offer that thoracic lumbar support in the IC2. Our arm system in the IC2 comes with adjustable width arms. And on both sides here, folks, you can see these very easily adjustable knobs, and you would just loosen them and widen your arms as you like. You also have a tremendous 4-inch movement in height. The outside button here, simply put that up and down as you require. And we also have a 3-way pivot. You have 2 buttons here you can see on the inside of the arm. Your front button, okay, is your 3-way pivot, and your back button is your slide button. And as you can see, whatever position that's arm in, it's going to move back and forth for you. Okay. On your right hand side, you're going to find two buttons. Your top button, lever I should say, is your seat slider. You're also going to notice the same lever is on the other side as well. We've designed this so they work in sync, meaning you have to use them both together. Let me show you how easy and fluid a motion that is. What you're going to get here is a 2-inch lengthening of your seat. And you see how effortlessly that just moved out for us. You've got another 2 inches here to support extra leg length, and of course the waterfall front design here to alleviate pressure spots. Okay, now I'm going to come back to my chair and show you a couple of those levers we just talked about. So on my right side at the back is my gas lift. Okay, that's my height adjustment. So that gives me my desired height. On my left side, the smaller lever, and by the way, these are cable activated for direct, immediate response to the movements you're asking from the chair. When you put it down, you've locked yourself in position. When you want to find a different position, you put it up into what I call the free float, and you find whatever position. This has unlimited positions to lock in. And so I'm just going to set it there. I'm going to lift it up for a click, and then let it click down. That's going to lock it in position for you. Okay. To unlock it, simply lean back, click your lever up, and you can just see how that rises with me as I go to exit the chair. One thing I'd really like to highlight, folks, is in today's smartphone world, a lot of people, and you might do it yourself, when you go to check your text messages on your phone or your tablet, it's very common for people to lean back. And as I raise my arms, and if I'm holding my smartphone, you can see that my body is maintaining midline in just a perfect way here. There's no awkward positioning of my arms. These arms are moving exactly with my body, and that's a fantastic feature for this chair. And then lastly, I would like to highlight our headrest. The headrest is actually designed and manufactured with a C curvature to it, and that's to maintain the natural C curve in our neck. And the movement of this is a little different than your standard headrest. Instead of up and down, you're actually moving, again, in a C motion. And I'll show you from the front. And you're seeing here just a tremendous amount of positions to fit almost any neck position you require. And there we have it, folks, our new IC2. If you'd like to know more, please visit us at nightingalechairs.com.